Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into PartKeepr. It's a highly specialized, absolutely fascinating inventory tool designed exclusively for parts-heavy technical businesses. If you've ever found yourself literally drowning in a sea of tiny components, just wondering how on earth to keep track of it all, well, you're in exactly the right place.
So let's kick things off with a crucial question for all you makers, hobbyists, and electronics manufacturers out there. Are messy spreadsheets causing unexpected stockouts and production delays for your operations? I mean, it's a tale as old as time in the manufacturing world, right? You start small, a basic spreadsheet seems perfectly fine, but before you know it, you're tracking hundreds, maybe thousands of specific parts, and suddenly, that trusty spreadsheet becomes a chaotic, disorganized liability.
Businesses are often stuck between a rock and a hard place here. On one side, you've got expensive, specialized commercial software that can easily drain hundreds of dollars from your budget every single month. On the other side, you have that dangerous reliance on those error-prone spreadsheets that inevitably lead to sudden stockouts and halted production lines. It really feels like there should be a middle ground, doesn't it?
All right, checking out our agenda today, we're going to diagnose the exact component tracking problem, introduce PartKeepr as our solution, do a deep dive into its key features, look at a real-world success story, discuss setup and migration strategies, and finally, wrap up with our final verdict. Let's jump right into part one, the component tracking problem. Listen, if your business relies on tracking thousands of tiny, highly specific components, we're talking specific resistors, capacitors, custom mechanical parts. Standard retail tools are just going to fall short. General business software is great if you're selling finished retail products, sure, but it completely lacks the granular depth you need to track the exact specs of microscopic parts. Plus, using cloud-based commercial solutions can sometimes pose a really high risk to your proprietary design data. That leaves a lot of businesses desperately searching for a private, cost-effective alternative. Which brings us perfectly to part two. Enter PartKeepr. So what exactly is it? PartKeepr is a free, self-hosted platform, and it's created specifically to serve the highly nuanced, detailed needs of makerspaces, hobbyists, and electronics manufacturers. It's actually really cool because it isn't trying to be a general business tool. It doesn't care about accounting or sales. It does one thing, and it does it exceptionally well: detailed, granular part tracking. Now, what's really amazing here is the cost, or rather, the total lack of it. Because PartKeepr is released under an open-source license, your ongoing software licensing cost is literally $0. It is completely free to download, free to self-host, and even free to modify. For a small workshop or a growing manufacturer, completely removing a huge monthly overhead expense while actually upgrading your operational capability, that's an absolute game changer. Let's move on to part three and take a deep dive into its key features. These features are all about one thing: granular control. PartKeepr lets you map custom attributes to your parts, so a resistor can have an ohms rating while a mechanical gear has a diameter rating. You can track exact physical storage locations right down to the specific bin on a specific shelf. It's got proactive automated low stock alerts, tracks your supplier pricing, and, this is absolutely huge, it includes bill of materials or BOM functionality. This means you can link dozens of tiny parts to one larger project, so you always know exactly what's required to build a single finished unit. Oh, and it fully supports barcode and label printing to keep your physical workspace just as organized as your digital one. Now, you might be thinking, well, why not just use a massive platform like Odoo? The crucial contrast here is crystal clear. While a tool like Odoo's inventory module is fantastic for broad retail environments and general business ecosystems, PartKeepr is the definitive winner when your core need is genuinely detailed component tracking. Basically, if you're selling t-shirts and coffee mugs, go use Odoo. But if you're soldering microchips and managing 1,000 different tiny screws, PartKeepr's specific focus is just a far better and vastly cheaper fit for you. All right, let's look at part four, real-world success. Let's ground all these technical specs in reality with a timeline from a small electronics manufacturer. They went from chaotic spreadsheets causing production delays on day one to a complete operational turnaround. By week 4, just by implementing exact storage tracking and setting up low stock alerts, their purchasing team suddenly had advance warning before critical components ran out. And by week 8, they had their full bill of materials loaded into the system, meaning if a specific component ran low, they knew exactly which finished products would be affected. It allowed for incredibly stable, predictive production planning. Which leads us to part 5, setup and migration strategies. Because, let's be honest, open source software isn't magic. It requires some strategic effort on your part.
To get started correctly, you really need to follow these steps in order. A super common mistake is just rushing in to type out data. Don't do that. Instead, meticulously plan your part categories and custom attribute structures first. Think about how you're actually going to search for parts later. Next, physically set up your barcode and label printing. Get those physical habits established early. Only then, once all that is done, should you move to step 3 and begin bulk importing your valuable inventory and supplier records.
You need to be prepared to view this as a strategic upfront investment. Standardizing your messy spreadsheet data and securely migrating it, that's typically going to take your team anywhere from 3 to 8 weeks, depending on the complexity of your setup. It is absolutely a commitment. But taking the time to clean up inconsistent naming conventions now will honestly save you thousands of hours of frustration down the road. It's also incredibly vital to understand your responsibilities here as a user. Since there's no official managed cloud version of PartKeepr, you have to set up your own self-hosting using PHP and MySQL. Also, the interface is highly utilitarian. It's built for engineers, not marketers, so keep that in mind. And most importantly, you are in charge of your data security. You must demand strict, regular backups from your team. Because all your proprietary designs are housed here, losing that data would be catastrophic. You are essentially the custodian of your own infrastructure. Okay, let's bring all this together for part 6, the final verdict.
When you weigh the stark financial contrast here, we're talking about paying a modest $15 to $30 a month just to run your own hosting server versus handing over several $100s every single month in commercial licensing fees. The long-term value proposition is undeniable. You get superior, highly granular component tracking tailored exactly to your technical needs at a tiny fraction of the cost, all while keeping 100% ownership of your proprietary data.
So, I'll leave you with this thought. Before you run out of another critical component and have to call a client to delay an important order, ask yourself, are your current inventory bottlenecks costing you more than just time? Are they costing you your reputation, your sanity? PartKeepr might just be the exact tool you need to take back control of your operations.
Well, that wraps it up for today. Make sure to keep following Uplatz, because in our next explainer, we'll be exploring ABC Inventory, a fantastic free tracking option for your broader small and medium business needs. Until then, keep building, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.